It's Madam Glam time. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a fabulous day. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you go ahead and subscribe so that you can check out all my future content as well as some of my past content. Because I think you would really enjoy it. If you like nails, if you like arts and crafts, I've got loads of stuff for you to watch. So, of course, Madam Glam gel polishes are vegan, cruelty-free, 21 palm oil free, 21 free formula and palm oil free. And this is the new Labor Lux gel polish collection. Oh my goodness, new collections are always so exciting. Anyway, August 29th was the pre-launch for VIP members to go ahead and purchase this set early. And September 4th will be the day that it goes on sale for everybody. And believe me, these colors are so gorgeous, you are going to have the whole collection. So don't wait, because I think this collection is probably going to go fast. These are so gorgeous. And if you didn't know, this box right here that Madam Glam uses is recyclable, and there is a little barcode on the back of the box to let you know how to do that. Now, when you purchase anything from Madam Glam, there are two great options that you can use. Actually, three. One, you can go to their discount code area and select some gorgeous polishes from there, but you're going to want this new set. I believe you will after you see these. You can, when you go ahead and add to cart, and then as you go to the checkout, you can either hit pay as you go or become a VIP member. VIP member is $29 a month, and it comes out of your account automatically. And it's like having money in the bank. You can use it whenever. You can let that money build up and roll over month to month, or you can just use it monthly as is on one or two things. But you get a lot of perks with the VIP membership, such as the chance to buy new collections with a pre-launch before everybody else gets to buy them. And you also get bigger discounts, etc. And of course, you can cancel that VIP membership at any time. But why would you? And if you are not going to join the VIP membership, there are loads and loads of discount codes out there. I will leave my discount code for 35% off any gels you buy, any products you buy from Madam Glam's website. So you can save that money, and all you do at checkout is you unclick the become a VIP member and click pay as you go. So I'm going to guess and say that these muted, dusty kind of colors are going to be super popular for the fall this year. I could be wrong, but I do believe that is what's going to be popular, probably along with some jewel toned, darker jewel tones like burgundies and dark emeralds and colors like that. So keep a watch out. Let me know if you think I'm right, or what you think is going to be the popular thing in the upcoming months. Anyway, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Let me know which one of these polishes is your favorite. Are you going to pick up this collection or not? I'd love to hear from you. And of course, I'll say it again, if you haven't already subscribed, what's the holdup? Because I would absolutely love for you to be part of my nail family. But I am going to go ahead and put some music on and let you enjoy the swatching. And keep in mind that I'm going to be having several videos using this gorgeous collection in the very near future. So keep an eye out for those.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high.